Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best glasses cleaner is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who wears eyeglasses, sunglasses, or even uses screens daily, as it ensures crystal clear vision and protects your valuable eyewear from scratches and smudges, making every glance a pristine experience and prolonging the life of your lenses. Number 5. 210 Count Pre-moistened Lens Wipes. Tired of smudges and streaks ruining your view? Our pre-moistened wipes offer a quick and easy solution for pristine lenses every time. Designed to be scratch-free, these wipes gently lift away dirt and oils without damaging your delicate surfaces. Enjoy a clear, unblemished finish. Each wipe is sealed for maximum freshness and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go cleaning, ensuring a perfect wipe whenever you need it. Use them on your eyeglasses, sunglasses, camera lenses, and even screens. They provide a streak-free shine on a variety of optical surfaces. With 210 wipes in this pack, you'll have plenty to keep all your lenses clean and clear for an extended period. Great value for everyday use. What we like? These wipes offer ultimate convenience with individual packaging, perfect for on the go. They ensure a scratch-free and streak-free clean every time. If you need a quick and reliable solution for smudges while traveling or at work, these are your best bet. What people say. The microfiber cloth is very soft and effective at cleaning smudges and fingerprints from my glasses without scratching the lenses. I love how compact and portable the cleaning kit is. It fits easily into my pocket or purse, making it convenient to clean my glasses on the go. The cleaning solution included in the kit is specifically formulated for coated lenses, preventing streaks and maintaining clarity. Number 4. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 6pk. Introducing the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, your ultimate solution for a spotless clean. This pack comes with 6 versatile cloths designed for all your cleaning needs. Crafted from the highest quality microfiber, it effortlessly absorbs and removes dust, oil, and smudges without leaving scratches or lint behind. It's the perfect cleaner for all your delicate items. From eyeglasses and camera lenses to screens and sunglasses, these cloths are designed to handle it all. They are also perfect for cleaning electronics, watches, and more. Each cloth is individually packaged to ensure it's always new and ready for use. This pack includes 5 black cloths and 1 gray cloth, each measuring 6 by 7 inches. Its delicate craftsmanship makes it suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including LCD and OLED screens, laptops, phones, car interiors, and mirrors. You can trust it for all your delicate items. Experience magical results for the things you care about most. Keep your valuables pristine with the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. What we like? Crafted from premium microfiber, these cloths effectively lift away dust and smudges without leaving lint behind. Their versatility means they can clean not just glasses, but also screens and electronics. If you prefer a reusable and multi-purpose cleaning solution for all your delicate items, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The cleaning cloth is very soft and leaves no streaks. It effectively removes fingerprints and smudges from my glasses. The compact size makes it easy to carry in my pocket or purse. Number 3. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for crystal clear vision. Our Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit is designed to keep your eyewear pristine. Experience the gentle yet effective cleaning power of Japanese microfiber. This set includes a premium cloth to ensure a streak-free shine every time. Get everything you need in one convenient package. This 2-piece set features a dedicated cleaner bottle and a high-quality microfiber cloth. Our specially formulated cleaner is alcohol-free, making it safe for all your delicate surfaces. It's perfect for eyeglasses, screens, and camera lenses. Trust in quality craftsmanship. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring superior performance and durability for your cleaning needs. What we like? This kit features an alcohol-free cleaning spray and a high-quality Japanese microfiber cloth for a gentle yet effective clean. It's designed to be safe for eyeglasses, screens, and cameras. If you're looking for a travel-friendly, alcohol-free option that won't damage sensitive coatings, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The microfiber cloth is effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from glasses. The cleaning solution is gentle on lens coatings and does not leave streaks. The compact carrying case makes it easy to store the cleaning kit in a purse or pocket. Number 2. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Introducing the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Achieve a streak-free shine with our powerful yet gentle formula. This 4-piece set comes with 2 bottles of our effective cleaner and 2 premium microfiber cloths. They are designed to lift away smudges and dirt without scratching. Our alcohol-free solution is perfect for eyeglasses, screens, and camera lenses. You can trust it to clean safely and effectively. Experience the quality of a product proudly made in the USA. We ensure the highest standards in every bottle. Keep your eyewear and electronics looking their best. This kit provides everything you need for a pristine clean, anytime, anywhere. What we like? Get more value with this larger set, including multiple bottles of alcohol-free spray and Japanese microfiber cloths. It provides a safe and effective cleaning experience for all your optical and electronic devices. If you want a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home or office and prefer alcohol-free products, this multi-piece set is an excellent option. What people say. The lens cloth is very soft and gentle on my glasses, preventing scratches. It effectively removes smudges and fingerprints, leaving my lenses crystal clear. The compact size makes it easy to carry in my pocket or purse for on-the-go cleaning. Number 1. Magnasonic 20 ounces Ultrasonic Cleaner. For over 15 years, we've been the industry leader in providing deep cleaning solutions. Our technology removes dirt and grime from even the most hard-to-reach areas. Make your valuables shine like new. It's perfect for jewelry, glasses, watches, dental items, and so much more. Experience a powerful clean with 42,000 Hz ultrasonic waves. Millions of microscopic bubbles reach every crevice for an all-around deep clean. Simply add tap water and choose from 5 cleaning modes. Select the perfect cycle from quick to deep clean using the digital display. The durable 20-ounce stainless steel tank is built to last. It offers anti-corrosion and scratch-free protection for all your cleaning needs. What we like? Experience professional-grade cleaning with ultrasonic waves that reach every crevice, perfect for eyeglasses, jewelry, and watches. Its large stainless steel tank and multiple cleaning modes offer deep cleaning power. If you need a thorough, hands-free clean for items with intricate details, this ultrasonic cleaner is the ultimate solution. What people say. The lens cleaning cloth is made of microfiber, which is soft and durable. It effectively removes fingerprints, smudges, and dust from glasses without scratching. The compact size makes it easy to carry in a pocket or purse for on-the-go cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.